Hi guys. Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. This didn't last long, and I also think that was not a level. And it reached 0.5 and went lower. This also could have not been the level. Well, super technical it is, but it doesn't matter because the price has already reached 0.5. Tung. And it's not imbalance. That's one bar reversal, it always does. Also here it's a little like dangerously close to 0.5, but not critically on volume, so we have more of this situation here. Yeah. SPY. It's a reversal. It's a reversal. Maybe this makes no sense. T-row goes lower. What can I do? I already made my move. um, it's an interesting place to we don't have a close manipulation signal yet, but we don't need it for daily. We have space up to 0.5. It's an interesting place to polish our counter trend skills because I have the stock. I'm long on it, so I can sell it and then rebuy it and short like this. It's the volume. No setup whatsoever. This is short, and this is short. Yeah, no, I cannot buy like this. But I'll keep watching. It was Pfizer. GTM. Posse. Merrick. Got us the test level. Interesting. This is good now because after spring, after powerful one bar spring, the second biggest volume, it's in the test right now. This volume doesn't matter anymore because we closed spring. Volume distribution is not good on monthly and on the year as well. Yeah. Oh, that was cool. Oh no. And I think let me check. I think my subscription might be over. Just give me a sec. Yeah, I think I need to get back my uh real-time data for to gosh, doesn't really make it easy. um Now it finally prompts me to I still need real data from. My content. Yeah, it's me. Sorry, guys, but we want the real data. Uh, Gosh, it's making me trouble. Okay, screw that. It doesn't. I'll deal with that later. It doesn't look healthy though. Yeah, it's weird volumes. Try one more time. Um, it's giving me a hiccup. You are annoying. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's see. Yeah, that's the difference in volume. Almost the same, but still, but still. Same here. Look at it. No, we need fighter. You see? Shows like a fraction of the volume. It shows a fraction of a volume. Oh, let's see if the daily will match now. No, it's not here. Somewhere was a Carlin daily mismatch. Anyways, anyways. It's a weird movement. It went up and then down. Anyways, I can't make any out. Well, so now you've got this one bar up spring. That would need a test probably, right? That needs a test. It's in 0.5, but we have all these volumes. If not for this volumes, I would say let's go. It's not like it's like the biggest volumes. There's this volume. There are volumes, but it was like T1, didn't even go to upthrust it, and boom. And now we're like underneath all this volume. So I'd say we need a test. Something short within the and that's initiative takeover that didn't take over. Yeah. Mm, cat on volume spring. To spring. It's weird. It's a break. Change of direction and volume died. See, there's no volume. There's like institutional investor came in, aka government, and then it's gonna wait for institutional investor to come again. Look at this volume. It's ridiculous. It's a nice 0.5 though, but it's a break. And it's a break. And that's a break mean time and 1 bar rule and whatnot, so barely volume spring. We need 0.5. Target. Rather changed direction than didn't. Understand well? Yeah. That's unvolumed spring. This would be the level to watch. Yeah. Massive, brutal, powerful. Oh, yeah, no, that's not even the volume. This is the volume. IBM. Technically, that could be the level, roughly in 0.5, but the manipulation went too low to went all the way here, so it's a break. Goes again. Bigger volume on test, so gosh, shell. Crowd. Maybe it's like this, maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna go start my day. That's all we've got for today. On volume top thrust. So maybe after a good test, 2.5. You cannot have 0.5 here too, because yeah, and we'll be like right in that zone. This volume level. Which doesn't matter because we already got a spring. Flimsy, is all I'm saying. Okay. You guys take care. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn